92 Toyota. Gonna change the headers here, boys. Check her out. Made by DNA. eBay headers. And let's check them out. Got this piece here, the flange. Looks all good. So, looks pretty straight. It's a nice product overall. So yeah, you got this pipe too with another O2. Goes onto this down pipe. You get your gasket. You get fasteners. And you get a clamp. Take out the O2 sensor out of the old exhaust.
Dude, me and your dog are one, man. We became one. Is he leaving? Don't want any more of this.
Yeah, now he's like, fuck off.
Puppy.
I'm just here.
That made it all weird.
Come here, Sunday. 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 Where's your dog?
It's fucking hard to fucking do with the camera. Yeah. Take that bitch off.
I don't know, man. This is
Shouldn't eat it.
super cool. Just laying on the ground.
Alright. We got her, boys. Alright. Loosen this. Just make some new room.
Steel, boy.
Alright. The only thing I gotta say is these holes don't look perfectly drilled on this header, but I did manage to slip it on. Torque them down. Yeah, I'm making covers here. Those stock ones won't fit, so I just got to cut the bottom here. Also on these headers, the stock gasket doesn't just fit on perfect, so you do have to customize that as well. Also, the bolts that came with the kit, this guy here, is too short to put on the flange, so I got these longer bolts. I don't know why they'd give you two short bolts, but that's how it is. Also, this flange, it's supposed to be with the kit, but I didn't get one with mine. I've been tightening this clamp. I tightened it all the way, and it honestly just hasn't even clamped. So yeah, the good old school clamps work, and then just got to put in the O2 sensor. This exhaust kit, it fits very well underneath the truck. I just got it wire tied because I don't have any hangers right now, but there you go. Right off the pipe, no muffler. There's some coating that's burning off of it, I don't know. First startup, boy. And that's how we do it, boy. Yeah!